My name is Piero Terio, and I'm lead manufacturing engineer at L3Harris. I was lead manufacturing engineer for JWST for about 8 years. My primary role was for the procurement, manufacturing, and delivery of all the electrical and some mechanical procurement of cabling and test sets for all the phases of testing for the JWST telescope. Best part was just, working across site, working with all the different teams, the different companies, senior scientists, finding out ways of testing at the cryogenic temperatures that were really difficult, something we've never done before. I hope to really see some of the imagery that comes back and learn about the Big Bang Theory, all the universes that we just don't know. Is there life outside the universe? How everything started.